Good morning, second year Criminology Block C, and to you, Ma'am Ellen B. Atay. Today, I'm going to discuss to you the classification of fingerprint missing at birth or the amputated fingers. What is fingerprint missing at birth in forensic? In other words, dermatoglyphia is an extremely rare genetic disorder that prevents the development of fingers. Dermatoglyphia originates from the multiple causes, including several skin diseases, traumatic injuries of the fingers, denervation, aging, or chemotherapy. There are rules in finding the classification of fingerprint missing at birth. First rule is, if one is amputated or fingerprint missing, given a classification identical with the opposite finger. So, sa sample na to, kung if ever, matang lang tanong sample na, if ever kanang sa middle finger is nawala ang missing ang isa ka niya, missing ang fingerprint classification niya sa middle finger. So bali usarin nawala niya automatically ang gamito nimo nga classification na niya is ang opposite niya, ang opposite nga middle finger sa ang atbang niya. Automatic mo na i-carry nga nakuhang classification niya, automatic mo na imong gamiton. So the second is, if two opposite fingers are amputated or fingerprint missing, both considered worse with meeting M tracing. So kung pareho siya missing, like for example is kining middle finger, both siya missing, so automatically ang gamito na to na is whirl. Muna siya ikaduhang rules. So for example kini sa amputated siya middle finger both, then considered siya whirls ang meeting tracing niya. Then third rule, if any of the fingers are partially amputated or with less than half of the pattern area is missing, use the opposite finger. Kapat nga rules niya, if all of the fingers are amputated or fingerprint missing at birth, the classification would be M over M, meeting over meeting. Mo ni siya ang katong sa major niya nga classification. Then 32 is the total niya sa primary classification. Kung i-add na to tanan, 16 plus 8 sa katong number niya by fingers, 16 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1 equals plus 1. Itong neutral niya nga 1 equals 32. So 32 over 32. So sa secondary classification niya is whirl. Okay, automatic man na kung both siya missing, ang both missing siya, ang opposite niya is automatic whirl man. Then ang sub-secondary niya is meeting over meeting. So mo ni siya ang mo siya ang formula kung tanan siya nga fingers wala. So that's all, ma'am. Thank you.